didn't see you enter. I didn't hear you knocking at my door. Somehow you found a way to tether. You dropped your anchor down into my soul. Oh, oh, oh. Uninvited, I was caught off guard, I was unexpected. But now I see you, there's nowhere to hide. I'm gonna chase you down, not gonna lose this fight. And the years that you've stolen, I'm taking back. I'm spending all my time breaking chains, breaking lies that have weighed me down. Oh, I know I'm not out of the woods yet, but I'm pushing it a lot ahead, and it feels good.
Hey guys, y'all are in my fridge. I just went grocery shopping and I've let my refrigerator go too long without cleaning it out and I can't take it anymore. So that's what I'm doing before I put groceries away. One of the chocolate ones is yours and one of them is mine. So you only get one, okay?
Are they both just
Yes.
Okay.
These are Keys. I'm gonna get your ice cream in just a minute. Keys is wanting ice cream. I told him I needed to finish this first, and then I will get it for him.
And I'm taking back. I'm spending all my time breaking chains, breaking lies that have weighed me down. Oh, I know I'm not out of the woods yet, but I'm pushing it.
Cool. I'm just making a mess, really. That's all I'm doing. Efficiently making a mess. Thanks, Keys. Those are still good. Lettuce is still good. Anyway, how are you guys doing? I know this is not riveting content, but I am just going to film what I can. And right now, this is what I am doing and can share with you guys. So, what are you guys doing for the 4th? Do you guys have any fun plans? Doing anything exciting? I know by the time you see this, your days will probably pretty much already be over. But anyway, let me know. We have a lot of pickles. And we have a lot of empty jars of salsa. This is the best salsa. Best salsa, right, babe? Babe, I know you're watching this vlog. This is the best salsa. But I have to throw it away. What you doing, Keezy? I don't need help, buddy, but thank you. A lot of old hummus. You can watch. I don't mind if you watch. I just don't need help right now. I don't want you to get yucky food all over your hands or anything. So I used this to make a dish when Nikita was here. And I literally only ever use ricotta cheese to make this one specific dish. But it's not bad, but I have no need for it. And it's gonna go bad before I would make it again. So I guess I just chunk it, right? All right, that is an unopened thing of hummus. Woo. Making progress, y'all.
Yes.
Yes, we're making progress.
Oh, no.
What you doing, Keys? You waiting? You waiting so patient for Mama to get done so you can have ice cream?
Pickle.
Yeah.
Pickle.
You want a pickle?
I want pickle. Pickle.
A pickle?
Yeah.
This pickle?
Yeah.
Okay. You
Pickle.
love pickles, don't you? All right, hold on. Keys, honey, just leave those there, baby, okay? Can you put those back in the box right there for me? Thank you, I appreciate it. I'm just gonna finish cleaning out the fridge and then I'll help you. All right, guys, I'm just gonna be really real with y'all. So I have had all of the kids today, all day long. This is the state of my house right now. I have all of this. I just got back from the grocery store, cleaned out the fridge, leftovers I need to dump out, things to wash, things to put away. I still have groceries to put up over here. So this is just my normal. But we will get it sorted and taken care of. Whew. And all of this up here needs to be sorted. This is empty. This is empty. This is all this stuff that gets neglected during the week when I'm at work. This is trash. All of the games are supposed to be hanging out right here. Yeah, there's our washing machine parts, trash, one roll of toilet paper, and some Christmas decorations because I lack storage. So, we now have, oh, there's more trash back here. Alright, so that's trash as well. That's trash. That's trash. So we have fresh laundry detergent. Instructions to the washer and dryer. Alright, not perfect, but it looks better anyway. Oh, look how sweet Keys is. He heard me say all that needed to be cleaned up, so he's over there doing it for me. Huh. Appreciate it, man. Alright, my fridge is not perfect, but it looks a lot better. I've got all my produce, milk, butter, eggs, all of the condiments in the door, cheese and cheese sticks in there. Is that yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Good job. Hold it with the other hand. Good job. Good job turning your spoon right. Did you get your ice cream, Keys? Yeah. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. And done. Clean. Keys is still eating his ice cream. Alright guys, I know this vlog was super stinky. You basically got to see nothing. Anyway, I have work tomorrow. I've got all the kids tomorrow. There's an orthodontist appointment tomorrow, and an 8-hour shift. So I'm just going to go ahead and edit this, and it's not going to be exciting or be a whole heck of a lot of anything, but I'm gonna get this up for you guys, and I love you guys, and I hope you guys are all doing awesome. Don't forget, you guys, be you for you. Bye, y'all.